Add a little extra organization to your front entryway bench with this easy-to-build DIY entryway storage rack. Add space for everyday jackets and keep all that entryway clutter away. Hi, I'm Rosa. I'm your DIY carpentry expert, and this is my daughter Melania.
Hi.
And what I love to do is teach parents and kids how to come together and make really awesome projects.
What's up, guys? Today I'm building a hallway entry rack with my mom.
To build this project, you're gonna need the following wood and cuts. Our entryway rack is built around a bench that we already have, so make sure you use dimensions to fit a bench that you have at home. To begin this build, we have our 1x4 at 72 inches and 3 2x2s cut at 8 inches. So why don't you measure 3 inches from the top for me?
Sure,
and then
why
you
not?
Can mark it.
Seems like a simple task.
We want to allow a 1-inch overhang on the back side and a 3.5-inch overhang on the front side. Take a little bit of wood glue. There we go. Clamp to hold it in place. And now we can screw. There we go. Good job. High five.
Glue, screw, repeat. Glue, screw, repeat.
The next 2x2s will be placed 23 inches apart from each other. Grab that, please. So we're gonna use a speed square just to make sure that our 2x2 is lined up very straight on our wood. We're using self-tapping screws, but if you're using regular wood screws, I would suggest pre-drilling first to avoid any splitting of your wood boards. Excellent.
Time to set this aside.
Nope.
And...
we have to attach the other side to this leg.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So the front side of your new 1x4 should line up with the back side of your old 1x4. Mimi, do you know why we're staggering it this way?
So we could screw from the underside up.
There you go. Now, time to screw. So now that the 1x4 is glued and clamped secure in place, we're gonna use our 2-inch screws and go in from the underside up. Okay. So let's add our feet. We're gonna take our 1x6 cut at 21 inches and add it to the bottom inside corner of our structure. So we finished making our left side structure. We wanna make a right side structure, and to do that, we're gonna follow the same steps, but mirroring it.
You gotta be pointing your body to the right side structure, but not too drastically, Mama.
Oh. This build is kind of large. We're gonna go down and work on the floor for the rest of this build. Can you do it on your own?
Yes, Mom. I'm not 7.
Now it's time to add our first crossbar. We're taking our 1x6 at 54 inches and securing it to both side structures 12 inches down from the top.
We're gonna glue and then we're gonna screw.
Taking another 1x6, we're gonna create a top shelf, leaving 3 3/4 inches overhang on each side. Now we're using our last 1x6 and creating our bottom brace, giving that 3 3/4 inch overhang on each side. Let's stand it up and see how it fits with our bench. We have our last 2x2, and this is going to be our final support brace. We're going to place this about 1 inch in front of our bench. Where's the tape measure, Melania?
I put it in there, so then we can be like, let's get the tape measure.
So really quickly, we just want to double check the measurement of our bench. Our bench is 16 inches. We're gonna go here, 17 inches. So now our bench fits snugly in its rack. We're gonna move on to sanding and staining. We're using 220 grit sandpaper to sand down any rough edges and get rid of any splinters.
Now that it's all sanded down, we're gonna move on to staining.
The stain color we've chosen closely matches our bench. You should be in a well-ventilated area or outside. Nope. So now we're gonna add decorative hooks across our 54-inch crossbar. Depending on which hardware you source, follow the instructions that come with your hardware. There you go. Perfecto, Munzo. Yes. To ensure your entryway rack is safe and secure, we're going to use a 7-inch furniture cable to attach it to the back of this entryway rack and to the wall. This DIY entryway storage rack took a simple front bench and turned it into an organized landing zone for the entire family. So simple to make and easy to accomplish over a weekend.